today we're going to be doing challenges.
I'm fire at this. Dad, turn the camera a bit.
It's going to be a hack today.
You can't even see me. Can't see me. I've gobbled them in one bite.
Yeah, no, Zayden first.
I'm going second. Daddy, this might get my 2 wobbly teeth out as well. That's a 2 wobbly for me. Do you want the sour king? Do you want to swap pink for blue? Nah. I like my flavour.
I'll hold on.
I've got 3 Coca-Colas.
Oh, lucky boy.
I'll swap the blue.
For
what? Coca-Cola. 1 Coca-Cola? Yeah. What flavour's blue?
This is going to be very sour. That's sour.
So, right, get ready.
No yet.
2,
3, 2,
1. No. Exactly. They're called Juicy Drop Sour Blast.
I'm looking at the hedges. They're called Juicy Drop Blast. If you want to try any of them in your future.
Juice sour filled with powder. And this is what the packet looks like.
I actually swallowed it now.
No reaction.
Look. No, he had way more. He had like white stuff, right?
Alright, yeah, I'm opening some Coca-Cola.
No. Leave it alone now. Leave it alone.
Well, no.
What's next challenge now?
There's lots of them.
Probably keep like this.
Red. That's red. Dad.
Oh, hell
no.
no.
Jalapeños.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Get me open it. Daddy, can you get me some
water.
No water.
Can you get me some milk then?
Okay.
Kid ain't allowed in. Try it first.
Now everybody get one. I'm getting a
Yeah,
tiny
he's
one.
not allowed in. That's what we're going in.
Guys, I'm afraid to try it after last time, but look how small mine is.
Jalapeños.
If you can see it.
Wait,
I'm
trying jalapeños then.
It's small. We're going to do a countdown. Get one. Wait.
I did it.
Oh, no.
No.
I'm gonna do 4. I'm gonna do 4. No reaction. Too easy, man. Come on.
2 now.
What?
I can't do that.
Nah.
I did 4. Where's the Coke score? I need some. No. Get off. This got 1.
I've got a massive one.
Oh, it's massive. It's massive.
3, 2, 1.
I've got this much. If you do it.
Show it to the camera.
I've got this much. Kobe, if you do it.
I didn't get any more.
I can't. Go for it. Kobe's a daredevil. He took a full handscoop, but he didn't take one.
How many did you have? I don't know. More.
About. Why's the camera off?
The camera's off.
Danny, the camera's off.
No, it's not. Oh, hell no.
I got the tiniest one.
That's proper pepper.
No,
boy.
Not that one.
Why not?
Just a little one.
James.
That's proper
James.
pepper.
This is proper pepper.
Oh wait. Oh, juice fell out.
I'm scared.
All that was that.
Proper
Oh.
pepper.
Oh,
No milk allowed. 3, 2,
Okay, don't eat that bit, just that bit.
Why not that bit?
Too big.
3, 2, 1.
What? That's casual. That's casual. That's too easy. What?
Yeah?
Yeah.
No way.
Oh, this is easy.
That felt like that.
Easy.
Oh, this is easy.
Dougie's dying.
No, listen.
I'll just take the whole
I do more.
take the whole jar.
blown his head off.
Just swallow the hair gel.
Kobe, I need more stuff than you.